Mr. Know-It-All with a really cool tip and trick to help you. And I know that all these videos that we're going to be sharing with you are going to be useful hacks that will change your life, seriously. And make sure you have all your family members watch this because you'll learn a lot from just the little videos that we're going to be doing here. Now, let's get with it. I know that a lot of you have used this stuff here before, okay? And this is PVC glue. And what happens is, for people who only use it every once in a great while, if you're not a professional, you don't use a lot of this. You use it once or twice to fix a pipe. The problem is this: when you go to use it the next time, it'll look like this, some globby mess that you can't use anymore. And let's dig into the can a little bit just to see what it looks like. You can't use that. Maybe you could get it to work one more time, but let me share with you how to fix that. Here's all you have to do. This right here is one that has been sealed up for a very long time. I would say at least 6 to 7 months. And you can leave it outside in the garage where it gets hot. You never let it freeze. If you can keep it from freezing, that's a good thing. You never want to let this stuff freeze. But we'll open this up and take a look at it and see what it looks like, and I'll show you how we did it. Be right back. Stay right there. Told you I'd be right back. Now, we're going to open it up, see what it looks like. And this is 6 months old probably. And of course, get the tops off them. And it was sealed tight. And you're wondering why when you buy them from the store you have to use channel locks to get them off. That still doesn't work. Now, if I don't spill this on Mama's carpet, I'll be good. That's what it's supposed to look like, folks. Just like that. Now, this method works. Let me show you how to do it. We are going to have so many fixes and hacks and tips. You're going to just love this channel. I'm telling you, you've got to plug into it. Subscribe so you don't miss all these cool tips and tricks. Come on over here. All right, here's what we've got. Now you're going to need, you need one of these anyhow to prepare for anything that may happen, in case the zombies attack or something, who knows. But you're going to need one of these. You should have, if you're freezing any food, if you're going to be smoking your meat and putting it in the freezer, this is the only way to make sure you don't have freezer burn on your food. So you take your can, and yes, you're not wasting this bag because you don't have to go to the store to get a new one. When you need this stuff and it comes out globby and all dried out, then you're not in a good position. You're upset, you're mad because stuff just got hard on you. So all you do is place that in there. Once it gets all the air out, now there's not a bit of air left in that bag. It's sealing right now. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools and products will be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson. Now, there it is. If I would have done this with that can right there when I got done using it, it would have turned out to be as nice as this one right here.